This Casaottima 48-inch gaming desk offers a compact footprint with enough surface area for a full gaming setup, including monitor, keyboard, and mouse, without feeling cramped. Thoughtful storage touches, like the fabric drawer, tower stand, lower shelf, and side hook, make it easy to keep consoles, controllers, and headphones organized instead of scattered around the room. The integrated RGB lighting strip, with multiple colors and effects controlled by remote, adds a customizable glow that can match your rig or mood for late-night sessions. A carbon fiber style top paired with sturdy particle board gives the desk a modern look, while resisting scratches, impacts, and spills better than many basic laminate desks. The reversible layout lets you choose which side holds the shelves, so you can adapt the desk to corners or wall space instead of being locked into one configuration. Clear instructions and labeled hardware help the assembly go smoothly, and the brand backs it with responsive support if anything arrives damaged or confusing.